witches, medieval knights, and of course, talking beavers and animals, other like unicorns, flying horses. Okay, I think I'm insulting you by calling you in the names of animals. Okay, right, it's okay. Now, first of all, welcome again to Ashis Book Club. And you know already that I'm reviewing books to you in this channel. So, okay, now I have to say one thing. I can't keep telling that I'm reviewing books, welcome again to Ashis Book Club, like that. So, you have to watch all my other videos to check whatever I'm doing. Especially my book cupboard tutorial. You'll see each and every book I have. But anyway, this set is new. This is not shown in the tutorial. Okay, let's start now. When I say lions, flying horses, medieval knights, and talking animals, these four and witches with a 5, already you might know who read the book 2 in this series or already seen the movie 2 in this series, especially the talking beavers. Okay, when you see this set, you already know what I'm talking about. Well, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, here we have the world famous set by C.S. Lewis, The Chronicles of Narnia. Okay, this is one of my favorite fantasy worlds. I hate non-fiction, I only read fiction. But sometimes if it's interesting to me, I also read non-fiction. Okay, let's see. But anyway, I'll be reviewing non-fiction books to you too. Okay, so let's start. This set, as I told you, is written by C.S. Lewis. And in the second place of my fiction fantasy maps. Second to the Harry Potter Wizarding World maps. Not maps, the world. You know, okay. Now, first we have here, written by Eliot Alexander, a small piece about C.S. Lewis's refined writing nature. Let's read this. This is the piece. You see, this is a boxed set. Okay. Now, I'll read this to you. Like his fellow genius Tolkien, I don't know who's Tolkien. Okay. C.S. Lewis has refined the nature of fantasy, adding richness, beauty, and dimension. In our times, every fantasy realm must be measured in comparison with Narnia. Narnia, as you see in the first book, The Magician's Nephew, start with 2 children jumping from pool to pool with 2 rings. Okay, so no, don't think of me that I will review all of these books right now. I'm only introducing it. And when I say like that, you have to read these books before I review them. Boom. Okay, now let's start. So this is the box set. Here I took out the books and I'll keep this so that you can see a clear view in the front. No, I'll keep it here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now let's start. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm angry. Someone have put these in order from 7 to 1, not 1 to 7. See? Okay, anyway, I'll catch that person after this video. Okay, let's start now. Wait, I'll just make this in order for you to be real with it. Or it's no use starting from the last thing and going to the first. Okay, so, silver chair. I think I had a double of these books. Okay, now let's start. So this is the first book in Chronicles of Narnia. I had a double of this book. This is the first. So this is The Magician's Nephew. Okay, let's go second. I'll keep it, let's see. Okay, I'll keep it here with you so you see the side of it. Okay, then we have the second book. This is what I told you about. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. I'll show you a little picture of the talking beavers. I guess it was here. Yeah, it was all right here. Yeah. This is one of the talking beavers. See the cute little beavers. I also had a beaver key tag, but I don't know where that is. Okay. Now we have the third book, The Horse and His Boy. Third book. Okay. Now let's start with this fourth. Prince Caspian. Oh, he's one of the main characters in this book, Prince Caspian. You might know that. And then we have The Voyage of the Dawn Treader. This is also taken into a major motion movie picture. Okay, a movie. Now when I say major motion movie picture, you have to be, hey, I can't catch the words she's saying. Okay, a movie, that's what I said. Also the second book, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. I only watched those 2 movies. But please be kind enough to comment if there are any more movies. Okay, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe and The Voyage of the Dawn Treader were turned into movies. Okay, then here we have The Silver Chair. I don't see any silver chair in here, but anyway. And then the last book. And the last book. The last battle. Okay. So here are the books. There are exactly 7 books in this series. Now be kind enough, little book set, to be put in 2 sets. Okay. No, I'll keep this out so you see a clear view. Because if I put this in, it's no use. You're frowning. Okay, here we go. I'll keep this here. Hope you see it. Okay. Oh yeah. I'll keep this out. You don't want to be seen. I'll keep it here. Right here. Yeah. I hope you can see it, right? I can't see the camera. It's done with the tripod. Okay. Let's go. Now. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you something. No, I'll tell that later. No, I'll tell it now. I'm really happy I'm going this well with the videos. You know? I'm not studying any script. Just telling what comes into my mind. Okay, I'm really happy these videos go on so well. Okay, now let's start. So these books will also be reviewed like any of my other books. You have to see the videos. The first one is introducing my channel. The second one is the Roald Dahl series introduction, like this. The box set, all 15. And then we have the Harry Potter and the book cupboard tutorial, blah 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 blah. You can see that. I'm not going to tell them. Okay. Then I will review these books to you. But before that, you have to read. And this is the most important part. Listen to this. Okay. First, you have to subscribe my channel. Don't take it offensively. Okay. No, sorry. I said it offensively and you have to say it too. Okay. Next, click the bell icon. You know, I did a funny thing one of these days, like I guess day before yesterday. I took my grandfather's phone and went to my YouTube channel and clicked the bell icon myself in his phone. Okay, by the way, that's not really good. Okay, then also like and the bell icon. Okay, and at least but not last. Okay, so you have to comment if you have read these books or watched the movies. And you have to tell me, as I told you before, if there are any more movies. Okay. And you also have to tell... Oh, I have told this in my book cupboard tutorial, but I have to tell this to you again. If you want any... First, watch the book cupboard tutorial. Okay? After that, do what I'm telling. You can comment in the book cupboard tutorial comment section or here, anywhere. Okay. Now, as you see all my books in the book cupboard tutorial, you can tell your favorite book and of course you have to tell what should be reviewed first. Okay, that's enough of that. I'll just remind this. But first, before this, after this, because you have to watch this because I'm telling it in this video, watch the book cupboard tutorial. Okay, then last but not least, please stay with us together. Or you will get what I'm telling in the Harry Potter video, okay? So, or else something will happen to you like what happened to the White Witch. Okay, bye-bye. See you next day.